Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the world of beauty with a fresh perspective. Today, we're exploring a product that promises to bring your skin back to life, the Orlane Paris Creme Royale Beauty Sublime Mask. If you're someone who's passionate about luxurious skincare with powerful results, this one might just catch your attention. The Orlane Paris Creme Royale Beauty Sublime Mask is a rejuvenating cream formulated to restore your skin's glow and youthful radiance. Designed for all skin types, this mask aims to deliver intense hydration and nourishment, leaving your skin looking visibly revived. With its fresh scent and luxurious texture, it's perfect for those seeking a high-end pampering experience. Let's talk about what goes into this mask and why it's gaining attention. The product is centered around replenishing skin vitality and tackling signs of aging, which is something we all appreciate as we age. It's formulated to help rejuvenate the skin and boost its glow, and it's packed with ingredients that work to improve elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines. The cream itself is thick and rich, which allows it to deeply penetrate the skin for that luxurious feel. Plus, it's free from harsh fragrances, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin. So how does it hold up when actually used? I've had the chance to try it for a few weeks, applying it 2 to 3 times a week as instructed. The texture is truly indulgent. It feels like you're putting a silk blanket on your face. When I applied it, it spread smoothly and felt deeply moisturizing. After rinsing it off, my skin felt soft and refreshed without any greasy residue. That glow it promised? Absolutely there. I tested it both during my morning routine when I wanted a radiant boost, and in the evening after a long day to refresh and repair my skin. It performed well in both cases, but I noticed that I particularly loved it in the evening because it felt like a true skin recovery session. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty with pros and cons. The pros? First, it delivers on its promise of skin rejuvenation. My skin looked fresher and more luminous after every use, which is definitely a big win for me. I also noticed improved hydration and smoother texture, making this a solid contender in any skincare routine that focuses on aging or dry skin. Plus, the scent is light and fresh, not overpowering, which is always a bonus in skincare products. However, the cons, and I have to mention these for balance, are mainly around the price. It's definitely a high-end product, so not everyone may find it accessible. If you're on a budget, it might be a little too luxurious to justify. Also, because it's so rich, it might not be ideal for oily or acne-prone skin, as it could feel a bit too heavy. In terms of value for money, you're paying for quality with this product. It's an investment in your skin, and if you're looking for something that delivers visible results, you may find it worth every penny. But if you're just looking for a basic mask that gets the job done, there are certainly more affordable options out there that can provide similar hydration. Now let's talk about alternatives. If you find that the Orlane mask is just a little too much for your budget, there are some great alternatives in the luxury skincare market. Brands like La Mer or Sisley offer masks with similar rejuvenating benefits, though they also come with a hefty price tag. On the more affordable side, something like the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Overnight Hydrating Mask could offer a similar skin-soothing experience without the splurge. Finally, what's the verdict? The Orlane Paris Creme Royale Beauty Sublime Mask is a luxurious treat for anyone serious about skincare and willing to invest in a product that promises visible, long-lasting results. It delivers on its promise to rejuvenate and restore your skin's youthful glow, with the added benefits of hydration and smoothness. However, the price point and rich formulation may make it more suitable for those with dry or mature skin and those willing to splurge on skincare. If that sounds like you, then I definitely recommend giving it a try. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to support more honest reviews just like this one. Your engagement helps us continue creating authentic content. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've tried this mask or have thoughts to share, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear about your experiences. Stay beautiful inside and out, and see you next time here on Beautyistic.